Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can post on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Instagram app on your device. Once you open up the Instagram app, click on the plus option on the middle of your screen. After you click on the plus option, choose a picture or video or pictures or videos you want to share on your profile and then click on this arrow option on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the arrow option, you'll be guided to another page where you can choose some effects. Choose the effect to your liking and then simply click on the arrow option on the top right corner of your screen again. Once you click on the arrow option, you'll be guided to another page. Now you can add captions to your picture here. To post this picture on Facebook also, you'll just simply have to click on also post to Facebook like this, which will guide you to another page where you'll have to log in to your Facebook account. Once you log into your Facebook account and once you click on the tick option on the top right corner of your screen, this post will be posted to your Instagram and Facebook at the same time. I hope this video helped you to post on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.